So success is not just about earning money. It's not. Losers allow emotion to control them. Hey there, it's Benjamin from Live Smart Asia, and you know what, over the past few workshops that we've been having, we run workshops for children aged 8 to 20 years old, and we consolidated quite a few of their questions over here. So here are some of the questions. Would you be interested to find out what your children or people your age might be asking? So what I'm going to do is this: I'm going to put all of this in this bag right now, and I'm going to randomly pick 3 questions to answer. Okay, so I've got okay, cool. So I've got these 3 questions over here that I'm going to answer today, right? Question number 1. How to control emotions. Now, first and foremost, are emotions important? Yes, it's absolutely important. Why? Emotion creates the kind of action that we want to do in life, and action creates results. You see, between logic and emotion, which one is stronger? Now, some people will say, hey, logic triumphs over emotion, but the truth is, emotion is usually stronger. Right? Winners control emotions, losers allow emotion to control them. So here it is, how to control emotions. 2 very important things. Number 1, check out the thoughts. What's happening in your head? What are you thinking about every single day? Number 2, check the body language that you're in. Your body controls the kind of emotion. For example, if you were to go to class and you start class by putting your arms and your head on the table itself, you are priming your body to feel tired. But if you were to just change your body and you say, hey, let me sit down in a motivated manner, let me sit up straight, it changes the feel that you have mentally. Your emotions are being controlled by 2 very important things. Number 1, your body language, how you are, and number 2, what goes inside your head. If you are telling yourself and you're seeing sad pictures every day, then more likely than not, you're quite a sad person, right? But if you're seeing happy pictures every day, then guess what? I believe more you're a rather happy person. So to control your emotion, once again, be careful, be in control of your thoughts, and also at the same time, be in control with your physiology, your body language. So we go down to question number 2, all right? I like this. What is the best way to not get too attached to your gadget, to social media, and games? Also, do you think it's good to start building a business from, let's say, college or university? Start small and then grow it from there when I finish university. Beautiful question, okay? Now, what is the best way to not get too attached to your gadgets? Lock it up somewhere, take the key, throw it away. Or you know what? Pass it to somebody, a guardian, somebody you can trust, somebody older than you, and have limitations if you can't control yourself. Now, if you can control yourself, what should you do? Then what you need to do is to start a study schedule and also a gadget schedule. When to play gadgets and when to study. By having proper time management, you would be able to have control over gadgets. Right? So gadget, social media, it's all linked together. And question number 2, absolutely. Why? When you're young, there's a lot of time for you to learn, a lot of time for you to fall, a lot of time for you to get back up. I've got a student of mine who started a business when he was in university. Of course, because he was in university, he had lesser financial worry. Parents gave him allowance, parents pay for rental. So all he needed to do was to focus on 2 very simple things. Study, doing well in university. The other thing is starting his business. So what business is that? He started an e-commerce business. At the end of the whole year, he only earned about $400. Now, some people will say that's not really a good thing. But he continued that business again and again and again. Right now, he's earning every month $20,000, right? Every business was once a small business. Of course, if you can balance your academic and studies, right, at the same time while growing your business, that will be absolutely best. Because when you're young, you got lesser financial worry. So, third question. How to become a successful person? Now, first and foremost, right, success has a very, very broad meaning, right? Success in what? So I always tell people there are different things that you can be successful in, just like you have got different goals in life. Family, financial, spiritual, relationship. So when you talk about wanting to become successful, always define or have your own definition of success. Think about it. For you to feel successful, what needs to be completed? For you to be successful financially, what is the definition over there? For you to be successful in health, what is the definition? For you to be successful in perhaps relationship, what needs to be successful? So success is not just about earning money. It's not. That's just financial success. So think about what is important to you, create the definitions for all these small little things, and then you can strive for success. Now, of course, I always say success is not about getting there, but success is a process. Enjoy the process while you go for your dreams. So these are the 3 questions that I randomly picked. I hope you appreciate the answer. I hope you've learned something. So these were my answers for these 3 random people who gave me all these questions. I hope you appreciate all this answer. Use them. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, share this with somebody who will benefit from this information. There's still a lot of questions I've yet to answer over here. Guess what? I'll be doing another episode answering all these questions. Hope you appreciate it. I'll see you at the next video.